Look, I'm going to be honest. If you have one of these 1976 quarters, there's a possibility that you have a coin that's worth a lot of money. It's also very important to know when they first minted these coins in 1976, people thought they were all going to be very incredibly rare. People started buying these by the boatload for investment purposes, thinking they would strike it rich in the future. Little did the majority of people know that they were going to produce 1.6 billion of these coins. That changed a lot of things and it upset a lot of people. The reason the mint did this is because they didn't want it to be a super valuable coin. They just wanted everyone to have one. Regardless, I'm going to be going over a few coins in this video that sold for a lot of money that you need to keep your eyes peeled for, because the last thing you want to do is come across one of these coins and accidentally sell it for too little amount of money. Now, it's important to know that these coins come in multiple different types. For example, you have the 1976S Washington quarters that are 40% silver and 60% copper. You also have the 1976D Washington quarters that are about 92% copper and 8% nickel. And then you have the 1976 No Mint Mark Philadelphia minted coins that are also 92% copper and 8% nickel. Let's hop into this video. So this coin, this one little quarter, sold for $998.75. The biggest reason why is because this coin graded at the perfect grade of 70. Now you can tell immediately that this coin does not look like your typical quarter, and that's because it's a proof coin. Proof coins were never typically meant to go out into circulation, but sometimes that does happen. You can tell if you have a proof coin. If you look at the backdrop or the field of the coin, it will be very shiny like a mirror. Do not get it scratched or damaged because the value will dictate if the coin is in good condition. This coin graded at the perfect grade of 70, and that's why it sold for almost $1,000. If you have one of these coins, I advise against getting it graded unless you just enjoy collecting, you like coins, you want to get it graded, then do it. That's fine. But if you're trying to hit that perfect grade of 70, I would advise against it because it's so hard to hit that grade. This is a great reason why to get a coin like this graded. So this is a 1976D 25-cent Bicentennial Quarter. This one was accidentally struck on a clad dime planchet graded by NGC and Mint State 64, and it sold for $6,900. The reason why you'd want to get a coin like this graded is because there are people out there that will try to damage coins and make them appear to be errors. I highly advise against doing that because that is defacing US government currency, and while this is no advice whatsoever, that is illegal, so don't intentionally damage coins. But again, because you want to get your coin authenticated so people know it's a genuine error, you should do that and send it off to get graded, because this coin sold for $6,900. This coin sold for $19,200, and here's why. This coin is a 1976S 25-cent silver quarter graded by PCGS and Mint State 69. It's so challenging for non-proof coins like this to grade this highly, but it does happen on the rare occasion. Also, it's important to know when you sell your coin is very, very important. If you sell your coin when the market's very hot, it's typically going to bring a lot more money than if the market is cooling off. Also, if you have two collectors that really want a specific coin, they're going to bid each other up until they get that coin. This coin's only 1 point away from the perfect grade of 70, which is just so incredibly challenging, and that's why it sold for almost $20,000 at $19,200. Not spending a ton of time here, but this coin sold for $28,200. You want to watch out because people will get two coins and get some sort of heavy object and strike them against each other to try to duplicate the error that this one is, trying to make it appear to be a genuine error when in reality it's not. This is a 1976 Bicentennial dollar coin that was overstruck on a 1976 Bicentennial quarter graded by NGC and Mint State 64. If you have a coin like this and you're thinking that it's an error, it's definitely one worth getting graded because this coin sold for $28,200. If you want to learn more about coins, values, paper money, and grading, I have a completely free ebook. Click the link below, but you don't have to do that. I'll see you in the next video.